students, welcome to my channel Success Achiever. Today I will take the topic the working process of money creation by the commercial bank. Commercial bank कैसे money ज़्यादा create करते हैं, कैसे supply करते हैं into the market with the conditions of the RBI. So first of all I will take commercial banks. What is commercial bank? It is a financial institution. Financial institution means who took economic decision which accept deposits and offer loan for consumption and investment. It is an institution which accept deposit and offer loans for consumption and investment. So whenever the banks are creating money, it has some limitation because it is not a science subject, not a mathematics subject. It has some limitation. All economics totally based on assumptions and limitations. So there are two limitations in the process of money creation by commercial bank. First, all the transactions are routed through banks. Means there should not be a cash transaction. This is the condition. Number two, all the banks are one unit. Means total deposit in all the banks taken as one unit. So I will take the example when I solve the process. Now structure of commercial bank. We should understand the structure of commercial bank. So it is divided into two parts. The first part is scheduled commercial banks. Second one is non-scheduled commercial banks. So under scheduled commercial banks, there are three types of banks. Number one, public sector banks. Number two, private sector banks. Number three, foreign sector banks. Public sector banks are those which is owned and controlled by the government. Private sector banks are those which is owned and controlled by a businessman. Foreign sector bank, these are controlled by the foreign. So under public sector banks, their aim to service the society, and private sector banks, their aim to earn profit, and foreign bank, their aim to develop the process of liberalization in the economy. So banks, some of the conditions before creating money. Number one, bank create money in the form of demand deposit. They create deposits in the form of making loans. लोगों से accept deposit, offer loan. So banks create money in the form of demand deposit. They create deposits in the form of making loans. It is assumed that all the people will not come together to withdraw money. It is a past experience of the banks and also present experience. So at the same time, so LRR is fixed by the RBI. And what do you mean by LRR? It is essential. बहुत जरूरी है. It is essential for commercial banks to maintain minimum reserve ratio as per RBI. RBI के द्वारा minimum reserve ratio maintain करनी पड़ती है. So it is ever changing according to the inflation and the deflation. So let us start the working process of money creation or credit creation by commercial bank. For example, banks deposit in the banks, there is a fresh deposit which is 1000 rupees and CRR or LRR is 10% as per fixed by the RBI or central bank. So this primary initial deposit, primary deposit also known as primary deposit, together in all the banks, according to the LRR fixed by the RBI 10%. So 1000 of 10% into 10 over 100. After cancellation, we got 100. So this is 100 crore. This money commercial bank will keep with the RBI. Be careful. And rest 900 rupees. 1000 minus 100 rupees, 900 crore rupees will be deposited in the, will be given as a loan to the public. So this is very important. 1000 initial deposit, 10% as per RBI LRR, that is 100. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. That money is lent to the people of the country or the businessmen of the country for investment purpose. So this 900 again come to the market. It is assumed because of limitations. So 900 goods sold by the businessman, and that money again deposited into the bank, and bank again will charge 10%. So 900 of 10% is rupees 90 crore. So 900 minus 90, 810 crore. So this process will continue till this 1000 rupees exhausted. Means 100, 90, 81, 72, 65, 59, 53, so on like this. It will come to 1000. Amount will be exhausted. So I will explain how this 1000 will become 10,000. This is the multiplier. So how it comes? So if LRR and CRR is 10% fixed by the RBI, and initial deposit or primary deposit rupees 1000 crore deposited in all the commercial banks. So we know the formula of money multiplier 1 over LRR. So this is the calculation, 1 over 10%. So after doing calculation we got 10. So it means money multiplied 10 times of initial deposit. जो deposit हमारे पास आया था उसका 10 गुना ज्यादा बैंकों ने मनी क्रिएट की. So total money creation also we can say total deposit, or the formula is initial deposit into 1 over LRR. Initial deposit is 1000 crore and 10 times 1 over LRR is 10. So 1000 into 10 rupees 10,000 crore. This 10,000 crore created by the commercial banks while the deposit is rupees 1000 crore. So this is the way to process the money creation, and I will explain the sum of the observation, how to explain this process. Observation: bank receives fresh deposit of rupees 1000 crore and LRR is fixed by RBI. It may increase or decrease time to time. So this commercial bank keep 10% of deposit with the RBI. So 10% is rupees 100 crore with the RBI and lend the remaining amount जो बच गया 900 करोड़ वो मार्केट में फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस, फॉर कंजम्पशन पर्पस, सो दैट इकोनॉमी कैन बूस्ट. सपोज borrower withdraw the entire amount, ये सारा अमाउंट borrower ने withdraw कर लिया. Borrower withdraw entire amount of rupees 900 crore and spend it on goods and services and deposit the same into bank account. ये सारा उसने goods and services के ऊपर खर्च कर दिया और ये उसने again बैंक में जमा कर दिया according to the limitations. So limitation, all the transactions are routed through banks. All the banks are 1 unit. This is 1 unit, 1000 crore, because this amount in the country. So the same into bank accounts. Then again, the bank now gets, according to the 10%, 90 crore with the RBI as a cash reserve. Rest lend the remaining amount so that bank will create the money. So this is the way how to create money by the